In this video, I want to demonstrate generating lift chart. Many of you made some mistakes. Generally, you were in the right direction, but there were some mistakes. So I just want to go over the lift chart part of week 6 homework. So here I have already copy pasted the regression validation set exported data. So we have the predicted price and the residual price added on. Okay, so I'm going to make a copy of this. Okay, create a copy. Okay, and let me name it as sheet 1. And we really don't need any of these columns. So I'm going to uh, delete columns. So we need the price. Okay, and then we need the predicted column. Okay, we don't need residuals, so let's delete that as well. Okay, so this is what we have, and let's put case number here. Okay, and before we renumber the cases, okay, remember to generate lift chart, we have to sort this list in descending order of the predicted price. So let's highlight the data and then sort by predicted price from largest to the smallest. Okay, so now we have the prices sorted by the predicted price. Okay, now we can now enter the case number. All right. So now we can generate lift chart in two different ways. Okay, one is a decile wise lift chart, or you can even do it with 20 classes like in SAS, or you can do a regular lift chart, and in that we plot the cumulative actual sales. Okay. Now once we sort, we don't use the predicted values anymore. Okay. The only uh, use for predicted values is to sort the data by the predicted value. So we are now trying to figure out, how well the price gets sorted when we sort by the predicted values. If the predicted values sort the prices very well, then the predictions are very close to the actual prices, so the predictions are good. So that's the underlying idea. So we do a sum of the actual price, okay, not the predicted price anymore. And then we put that one should be absolute referenced. So now we have the cumulative sales. All right. And this is what we have to plot. So we plot. So let's say we want to plot a scatter plot like that. So there you go. So now we need the average case. Okay. So now we need the baseline. Okay. So baseline, you can set up an average and then do a cumulative average and plot that as your baseline, or you can quickly um, come up with 2 points. So the first point is 0 and 0, right? So that's your first point. So this will be the x value and this will be the y value for the first point. And the last point would be x will be the total number of cases. So that's that. and the y value for that is the last cumulative sales, okay, which is that. So we add, okay, so one more data series, add, and the x values are these two and the y values are these two. These two. These two are the y values. Okay, so there you go. So that's our lift chart, and of course you have to format and change the y-axis, x-axis, and put some titles and labels and so on. Then you'll have the lift chart or cumulative lift chart. Okay, so this is one.